Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of the Wax Busters, where we will be busting at yet another Gridiron gang. He wants me to show you the patch he pulled from the earlier box he opened up at the shop. It's Reggie Williams.
Tell me that's not sick.
Pretty sick patch.
Oh, I got hit in the first pack.
And it's number 10 of 21.
I got a sick hit in the first pack.
You got a sick hit, he says.
It's a sick hit. We're not even going to look at this garbage. We're not going to look at this garbage. It's going to be this card right here. Are you ready?
Really sick, or are you just saying that?
Gridrion Peterson.
Ooh.
Auto.
Look at that. So we go from a hot box to a Peterson, number
28.
23 of 28.
Nice.
That will probably be going up on eBay later on tonight.
You know it. Get my money back. Michael Oko rookie.
A Michael Oko rookie.
This pack feels heavy.
Yep.
It's because the cards are all bent in every other direction.
Why'd that have to be your first pack?
Why'd
that have to be your first pack?
That means it's only let down from here on out.
Musin Muhammad, number 250.
Hopefully that means it's... Fortunately, I'm not going to have an exciting hot box. 4,000 jerseys. I'd like to pull something else.
You can still get another cool patch, maybe.
Hopefully. Maybe right here. Are you ready? Ah, damn Joe Thomas.
Joe Thomas. Gridrion Gems.
Well, that must be
number 50.
Stupid. There it is, Jason Taylor.
Jason Taylor, Madden guy. These things are pretty much a joke. Oh, there he is if you want to get him on your team in Madden.
Well, you might not want to say bad stuff in case we want to get sponsored by Donna someday. Rookie.
What do we got here?
Kobe Smith, $5.99.
Kobe Smith, $5.99. Junk.
Base garbage.
Oh,
Chester Taylor, $500. Well, it's pretty thick. This must be a patch card. Who we got? Ugly.
it's like a
Jersey nameplate, jersey patch, number to 100.
Carson Palmer.
It's terrible.
Those are patches?
Those are patches.
Oh.
Send it back and say, why don't you put some
color on it?
Real patches on there. Ridiculous. So that means this is all just...
Slow down.
Garbage.
You gotta get a good...
Lawrence Timmons rookie. Number to 100.
Pittsburgh Steelers. That's all you like to pull anyway.
I'm sorry.
That floating Gridiron gang. Oh. Okay, back to the backs.
Gridiron gear.
Same thing.
I'm sorry, those patches have upset me. Might as well some jerseys. And we got rivals. Pennington and
yeah, I got that
Manning.
jersey card last night.
6 of 100. That wasn't 10.
Is that it?
That's it.
Like
that Peterson.
Yeah. There's Joe Thomas. There's the hit of the box. Adrian Peterson. It's numbered to 28. And the Carson Palmer dual single color disappointing patches. Well, thanks for watching.